straight now. See if my tuner can get it going.
Oh my god, live to the mad scientist.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning back in. I got some new parts I've been wanting for the S2000 for a long time. So let's get down to the story. So I ordered this part from Belade Sports. Little did I know it's not even in stock. So I hit them up. I'm like, hey man, where's my part at? It's been like 4 weeks and nothing. So I tell them, like, you know what, just give me the money back. I think if you're gonna post a part up for sale on your site, you should say whether it's in stock or it's not in stock, you know. So I went directly through the manufacturer, which is Renegade. They were pretty straight up with me. They're like, hey man, we're gonna have a restock in a couple weeks. We'll open it up for you so you can order it. I'm like, all right, cool, yeah. So here it is. All right, let's crack this shit open. Side tape on it and put this down for a sec. All right, so we got it open. Let's check it out. Boom! It took forever to get here. Damn, this shit's hella heavy. All right, so we're gonna try to get the shift knob installed, but I think somebody's trying to jack my car. Hey, what are you doing in there? All right, guys, so I got 2 of the shift knobs right here, the OEM one and the Renegade Extended. Let's see how much they weigh. Down my scale. And this one comes in at 241 grams. And this one comes in at 536 grams. So let's do a little conversion and see. All right, so we did a little calculation right now. This one weighs 0.5 pounds and this one weighs 1.25 pounds. All right guys, so we got the shift knob installed and the difference is night and day, man. Like the weight compared to the stock, like this thing pretty much like, where's that? Shifts like butter now. The S2000 transmission is pretty good already, you know? But I switched this and I did, I switched the transmission fluid back to, excuse me, OEM MTF. So I think that made a big difference because I was with that Royal Purple after LHT said something about it, like it was that good, but it didn't work for me. Maybe you guys, but that shit sucked. So I switched back to regular MTF and I switched the shift knob and this thing shifts like butter now. So if you guys are thinking about getting a shift knob, honestly, this one is the best one to do. All right, guys.